Get those headphones and listen to the universe. Sound is a unique, interactive way to examine some of Webb's earliest full-color infrared photographs and data. Listeners can explore the intricate soundscape of the Carina Nebula's cosmic cliffs, compare the tones of two photos of the Southern Ring Nebula, and identify specific data points in a transmission spectrum of hot gas giant exoplanet WASP 96b. With help from the Webb mission and NASA's Universe of Learning, a team of scientists, musicians, and a member of the blind and visually challenged community worked to adapt Webb's data. These audio files are intended to be appealing to all listeners, not only those who are blind or have low vision. The noises on the recordings are not authentic sounds captured in space. Instead, Webb's data has been converted into music, and the music has been meticulously produced to correctly portray the things the team wants listeners to focus on. These sonifications are similar to modern dance or abstract painting in that they translate Webb's pictures and data to a new medium in order to engage and excite listeners. The following tracks have been developed